If you are wondering if floating window mode is supported on OnePlus 15, then the answer is yes. And in order to use it, we have a couple of ways. For example, you can open any app that you wish to open in the floating window. Then you can go to background apps. You can tap on the app name that we have above the app preview, and we have the floating window option. And as you can see, we can use the app in the floating window mode quite easily. Besides that, what you can also do is if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom towards the upper right side of the phone, and as you can see, we can release the app to open it in the floating window. And of course, we can still adjust the size and move it around. If you use the smart sidebar, then you can open any app that you have accessible through the smart sidebar. You can just tap on it in order to open it in the floating window as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.